Hey y'all, I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, so I figured I better go ahead and do one here. And this box contains a gift for me that was sent to me by one of my longtime customers from Australia. And if you're wondering why it has all my stickers all over it, this one is to cover the address. And this one is because this is the same box that I sent to him and he put something in it, sent it back. But you know, when you're a big YouTube star like I am, ha ha ha, people just send you stuff because, you know, they can just tell by watching your videos how cool you are. Okay, maybe not. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this and see what my longtime customer, Mark, sent to me. We'll leave last names out of it because I didn't check with him first to see if he was okay with me using his name. At least I sanitized his address. So yeah, that looks like an old box there. Oh, I bet that is an Australian plane. Let's get into that. I bet he's going to try and convert me. He's going to try and convince me that this can compete with a Stanley. Well, it certainly looks nice. Oh, yeah. I think I've heard of these guys before. Is it Turner? Is that the brand, Mark? Yeah, I think I got a winner here. It's kind of hard to read, but I bet that used to say Turner. And then the dead giveaway, of course, is the paperwork here. So there we go. Now that's my kind of packing right there. Reused the same bubble wrap that I used to send to him. And that's my thing, in case most of you have probably seen that. Reduce, reuse, recycle, right? I try to reuse about 90-something% of the packing material that comes through my shop. So there we go. All right. It's pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and put this thing together off camera and we'll go from there. And there we go. Check that thing out. That is pretty sweet. That's pretty nice. I'm not sure if I actually know what to do with a complete plane. I kid. But no, that looks nice. I wonder what I could get for that lever cap. Ha! MJ's got jokes. That's what's up. Looks like I need to put a little edge on that iron, but overall, you know, that thing is pretty awesome, pretty unique. I bet I'm one of the few Americans who can say that I've got a Turner hand plane, so I'm going to add that one to the collection. It's pretty nice. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate it.